Okay, so I'm here in Da'an, and we've got a street sign right there. I'll show that to you. So basically I'm this part of Taipei, exploring Taipei, and I just want to check out kind of a typical street like this one. So what I'm going to do is this one, I'm going to go all the way down that way, and I'm just going to walk this way, and just give a little hint. I see like some Korean stuff, Japanese stuff, Korean restaurants, maybe some bars. It's all not so active right now, but we're going to walk down and just kind of see what's all here, and see if it's maybe kind of something that's typical of Taipei. I don't know, we'll see. But I'll show what I got. Checking out Taipei 2023. Okay, so this one is just, we're in Taipei, and we're in I believe it's called Da'an. I'll pull it up on the map, this is basically what we're gonna do is just walk down this little typical street and just kind of give you a little context. We're kind of between two main streets, and from what I can tell of Taipei, from what little I've seen so far, there seems like there's a lot of like it's very grid-like. So what we're gonna do is just walk straight down one of these kind of like typical streets that we see everywhere. And it looks like people that know Taipei probably know the stuff a lot better than I do. But it looks like the green is for pedestrians, and it looks like maybe even parking too, because there's a red car up there that's parked. What we're gonna do is just kind of see what we can see in some of these places. So oh, it's a drugstore. I was gonna say a lot of times I've been seeing 7-Elevens at the beginning of the streets. There's a restaurant. Most things are in Chinese that I've noticed. I do have a translation app because I'm used to it anyways. Let me see. It's also near the Chinese New Year. So so I don't know if that'll affect what I see and what I don't see in Taipei. Uncle Jerry's pasta. I saw another one where there was some really good pasta. It's interesting that that's kind of a thing in Taipei. So there was like a really famous pasta house that I saw when I was in Ximending, Koreatown. That's interesting. It's like a food bar. I don't think their English is actually, menu is actually in English. They got smoothies, 180. Wow. Okay. 120. Korean kimchi ramen. That's not bad. 160. Bibimbap 220. Prices are good. Might actually come back there and eat. So as far as you can tell, it looks like the green ones are pedestrians, and maybe they also are for parking as well, maybe temporarily. I guess the way to get out of the street a little bit. Okay, so there's some nail shops there. Huh, looks like a bottle of soju and a pig. Is that a Korean restaurant? Oh, it's like a hot pot. That looks like soju. Actually, I used to live in Korea a long time. Oh, it is. Okay. Yeah, soju. Okay. It is Korean. That is soju. So it's like a pig restaurant with soju. Taichi galpi. It's like pig. Okay, so I guess it is a Korean restaurant. Huh. That's interesting. There's a couple of Korean restaurants in here. There's this one right here, and there's the one that we just crossed. Okay. Jewelry store. There's Isaac. The toast is really popular in much of Asia. So let me see. So we're gonna keep on walking down, and we're kind of in this mix of a thing right here. Soy milk. Let's see if I can get across here properly. Okay, so this street's just gonna go down a little bit further. There's another barbecue place. The best. The Oak Bar, sorry. I wonder if at nighttime this is maybe interesting. Maybe there's a little bit of a bar street in this area that I didn't really know about. I'm just walking around randomly. So for people that don't know, I live in Macau. I usually film there. And I'm just in Taipei for about 4 or 5 days total, 4 full days. Today is the second full day, so I still got 2 more full days. Beyond the Frontiers Beer Rush. Huh. Okay. Looks like we're gonna have some cool stuff to see while we're here. A little bit of Japanese references. Monster Taipei. So yeah, anyways, you're kind of getting a little feel for Taipei. It's kind of an interesting city. I'm still kind of making my assessment of what I think about it. Overall, it's positive. Huh, there's like more stuff down that way too. Okay. Kind of cool though. So it's actually called Da'an Road, Section 1, Lane 51. So this whole area is Da'an. That's kind of one of the main streets is all the way down that way. And then another main street is down that way. So that's the name, Lane 51. So I guess, I don't know how it's all set up, but it seems like in Taipei, I guess it's like Da'an is the area. And then there's like 51 lanes plus and more. Anyways, that's our little target street today. In Da'an, Taipei, sorry. Taipei is a street in Macau area. Alright, let's end it there. Okay, that was another street of Taipei. There's so much more to see, so just keep on checking the channel and checking it all out. Come on, let's go!